Hello, my name is Cephas Bonachi and welcome to our YouTube channel. And today we are going to talk about the basics of the regular expressions. The reason I wanted to shoot about this video is because in the first time I wanted to shoot a video in NLP. That's the natural language processing. And natural language processing, the regular expressions are like the prerequisite of natural language processing. So you'll need to learn first about the regular expressions before learning about the natural language processing. And if you don't know what natural language processing is, don't worry, we'll talk about that in the near future. So with me here I have a document from Hyperskill. As you can see here, it has been written regular expression, short for regexp, is a sequence of characters that describes a common pattern for a set of strings. Such patterns can be used to search, edit, and manipulate text. Can be used to search, edit, and manipulate text. So keep that in mind. The examples here, as you can see from this drawing, the pattern we need to search is pack, and we have some other words. So suppose there is a set of words: pack, spark, packing, mark, quarks. You need to check which of them contain the word pack. So from these words, you need to check which one of them contains the word pack. Let's start with the first one. The first one, pack, contains the word pack. No doubt about that. The second one is pack. As you can see, it has been highlighted in green. It contains the word pack in it. Packing contains the word pack in it. The word mark does not contain the word pack, since there is a letter M instead of P. The next one is quarks, which does not contain the letter, our pattern to search, which is pack. Okay. We move to dot character. Dot character matches any single character, including letters, digits, and so on. It means that, like for example, we have where it is written pattern, we have pattern which is dot ark. It means where there is a dot, there must be a character there, and that character might be a letter, digit, or so on. So we have been given a set of words here to see if it matches our pattern, which is dot ark. So for example, we have been given the first one, which is mark. Mark, we can say that mark matches our pattern since there is M here, and our dot means that there must be a character just before the letter A. You can see that there is a character which is M. For example, instead of M, if there was a letter, a word, or a numerical value like 5 here instead of M, also that could have matched our pattern, since the dot product says that where there's a dot, there might be a character which is a letter or a number. We move to the next one, which is quarks. As you can see, there's a U here, indicating that there is a presence of a character. The next one, which is worm, there is a W here, indicating there is a presence of a character. The next one, which is this one, as you can see that this arc here, there is the absence of a character just before the letter A, meaning this one does not match our pattern to search, which is dot ark. Yeah, it's as clear as, I hope that's clear. Yeah, that was very, that was easy to see. Next one, question mark. We'll move to question mark. The question mark says the question mark is a special character that means the preceding character or nothing. It means the preceding character or nothing. What that means is that there might be a character just before this question mark. There might be. Might be means it may be there or it may not be there. Yeah, that's the simplest way to understand that. So for example, we have been given here our pattern to search is this one, color, with a question mark. And we are searching from these words, which are color with a U, color without a U, the color with double O. Let's start with this one, which is color with a U. So as you can see from a pattern to search, it means just before this question mark there might be a character or nothing. So if we decide to have a character, it will remain as U. So our word here, color, matches our character. So this is correct. The next one, which is color, C-O-L-O-R, it means from our pattern to search, question mark, a character has been removed just before our question mark. So if a character, which is U, has been removed, will remain with color, which is C-O-L-O-R, meaning this one matches our pattern. But the last one, this one, which is color, which is C-O-L-O-O-R, does not match our pattern, since if we decide to remove the character just before the question mark, will remain with color with a U, not color with double O. I hope that's clear. Yeah, so the regular expression basics are just simple. As you can see, we can read further. If we decide now to add, like for example here, as you can see, dot, they have used dot and a question mark the same time. So it means the word arc in our first example we used will merge the new pattern, since the first character is optional now. Yeah, the first, so our dot means there must be a character, but if there is a question mark after the dot, it means that this dot is optional now. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Yeah, so those are just let's see from other examples. Like for example, given the following regular expression, to the question mark dollars, select one or more strings that match it. So let me give you some 5 seconds to see that, solve that. Okay, we can start from the first one, which is $32. $32, it means a question mark means there might be a character just before it or nothing. Okay, so we keep in mind that the first character should be 2, and here it is 3, which means that this is wrong. The next one, which is $22, there is a space here, there is no space here between 22 and dollars, so this is also wrong. The next one is $22. $22 means the first word is the first letter, the first character is 2, which is correct. Then there is a letter just after 2, This one is correct. This one, the dollars without any characters before dollars is wrong. The next one is $23 is correct. The next one, which is $5, is correct. Since the $5, as you can see that from a point of reference, which is two question mark and dollars, the question mark means there might be a character or nothing. So in our case there's 5, which means that there's a character. So the words which match our expectations are $22 at option 3, $23 at option 5, and the last one, which is $5. Yeah, let's see if we can. Okay, this is another question. Which one of the following strings match this one, this pattern? Again, 5 seconds to see to work on that. Let's see it together. So here, let's start from the right. Where there's a question mark means just before the question mark there might be a character or nothing. As you can see from all this, they are characters. So all these are correct. The first place, we move to where there is a dot just before T. It means that just before T there must be a character. And from this you can see even there are some words which do not have the T in between it. So you remove that one. So we have removed option 2 and option 6. Okay. So from this, let's now narrow down our first one, which is HTTP. HTTP, we are at T. We are here at T. So it means that just before T there must be a character. Okay. So this is correct. So adding the first dot and a question mark, it means the first character which should have been here might be present, might be present or not. And we had seen when you use dot and a question mark, it means the first character might be present. So this one satisfies it, this one satisfies it, and also that one satisfies it. So correct answers are 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 5. Good. I hope this is clear. This all about the regular expression basics. See you in the next video. Have a good day.